Adventure! What is up, YouTube? It's your boy aDvEnTuRe here on Skyline, headed to Alice's to meet my friend Rick. I am on this Honda CB500F, nearly purchased, new to me, 2013. Bought it from a friend. Someone tried to steal this thing about a year and a half ago and just mangled the shit out of the ignition module. Yeah, so he was like, yeah, you know what? I want this thing out of my place. Like, if you can fix it, I'll sell it to you for $1,000. I was like, shit, this thing's got, you know, 7,000 miles on it. It's mechanically sound. It was definitely low-sided at some point. So I once briefly had a Ninja 250 that same friend actually just straight up gave me, that also wasn't running at the time. And one of the biggest things I regret not doing with that bike is taking it off-road. Yeah, it's a really dumb idea. It's probably gonna blow a fork seal. I kind of expect that to happen today. You know, if that happens, I fully accept it. How often do you get the chance to ride something like this off-road, right? I gotta do it for the YouTube memes.
R1350 GSA.
What's up? It's new adventure bike. Oh, I filled it up in San Francisco. I think it's fine. I put a bunch of fuel treatment in it too, because the fuel's been sitting there for a year and a half. Yeah, and I didn't drain it or anything. It just like started right up. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna run it. Typical Honda things, you know. Hell yeah! All right, so what road are we on, Rick? Rick and I are now at Loma Prieta Road. This is the first dirt I'm touching with this bike. I think I'm having no trouble doing this, actually. Wow, this is actually surprisingly easier than I expected. I am doing like a little bit of standing up here and there. Rick has all the tools and puncture kits and everything if anything happens like that. But this is happening. Holy shit, this is great. Oh, hell yeah, dude. This is super fun right now. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take the outside here. Okay. Oh. I'm good, but holy shit, my rear end just fucking slid way out. I was like, oh, I gotta give this a little bit of brake, and it's just like, I was like fucking fishtailing my whole way down. Should I do the dirt bike leg out thing? Tom Cruise it. That was pretty short. That was fun as shit. Thought I was gonna fucking drop into that.
When I heard the
yeah.
Oh god, I couldn't tell if it was the bike or the dirt.
Yeah, no, it was, yeah, I think my front end might have been sliding a little bit too. I think I was like two-wheel sliding for a short period of time there. Alright, while you do that, I'm gonna do a quick walk around of this thing. So like I said earlier, I bought this off my friend. So I've got some bald-ass Q3 in the rear, which is probably gonna need to go like immediately after this. I should air down because I'm running at 42 in the rear and 36 on the front right now. It's clearly been low-sided on this side. See, it's got plenty of dents on the stock exhaust and a little bit of scrapes here and shit. So I'm not too worried about taking this thing off-road, but I am worried about having to replace the fork seal after this. I'm really impressed with this BMW R1350 GSA. All right, BMW and gear. Put it in gear. Oh, it's this here. Buzzard Lagoon. Oh, that fucker was cruising. That thing was fucking booking it. I've never seen a deer run that fast. Oh, enduro mode.
Buzzard Lagoon.
We're doing it. We out here. Yeah, I hope I don't get like a fucking rock like just straight to the engine case. My air filter is probably gonna be shit after this. You'll probably just spray it out. This is great. This guy's good. Sup, bro? What's up? Oh, I just gave him the fucking peace thing. He's probably like, where's the other 2 people? Yeah, let's get a photo up here. I'm gonna do it right here.
Fucking brain warm, a strange form. Lyrical, Biggie the bastard, so that's kind of spiritual. Well, in God we trust.
We'll back. We'll back. So I forgot to turn off video stabilization on this, and it's probably looked silky smooth this whole way, but here we are. Not as smooth as it might look. Oh yeah. Where did he go? There you are. Oh yeah. Get it. Get it. Is this a hill climb? This actually kind of makes me want to try out like one of the CB500X with like the rally raid kits off-road, because like honestly dude, this is pretty fucking fun. I won't lie. Like I'm afraid. Oh, for sure. Yeah, I mean like not having any traction on the tires sucks, of course, but what about? Skirt!
Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that I bring? I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 10 Mac 10s, the shit's never end. You can't.
One of my lights died. Yeah, I don't know that this was running before. I'll just have to replace it. Oh hell yeah. NANI? Oh fuck. Oh yeah, I just hit a hard one there. This is a fun road. I'm surprised I haven't done this before. No, it's pretty easy. Is that pavement? I hope this isn't the end. I want this to continue forever. Oh well. That was so fun. Holy shit. Adventure!
Dude, that's gonna be some of the best video ever. You gotta like just make a stupid account on that forum, the model specific forum.
Yeah.
And post it like this is what it was.
It's like that's one of those roads that's like just technical enough to be fun, but like not like scary, right? All right, guys. So if you own one of these bikes, I honestly don't recommend doing this. It's kind of a bad idea. Any rock strikes to the radiator, you could have a radiator leak. You could blow your fork seals out. You definitely will drop your bike if you've never ridden off-road before. If you're new to my channel, I kind of do a lot of off-road riding on my R1200 GS. So this is obviously different, but I have some type of dirt riding skills to some degree. I'm definitely not a good rider by any means. It's just that I'm proficient enough to not drop this thing off-road. But this is just sort of a proof of concept video because I just wanted to fucking ride this thing off-road and enjoy it. And here we are. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really fucking enjoyed making this video, and I would love to do this type of thing again, but unfortunately I think I'm just gonna have to go sell this thing now and make some cash off of it and put some suspension into my GS. Thanks for joining me. Hope you return back. If you can consider subscribing if you want, and come back for more. See you guys.